To me, each Italian recipe has a story. My name is Gino da Campo, the boss of this commission.
The commission is a family.
You got a team of people who can make shit happen. We're gonna make it happen.
We're here to bring together people that love to cook.
If you're gonna come to Spaghetti Wars, be ready to compete, be ready to bring your best food ideas, bring your A game.
You don't have those tools, I don't know really where you go.
No food. I want the natural sugars to come fucking up. Okay? This is the kitchen. Half forgot it was got it. There's sugar here. That's there. I got baking sheets back there. Hold on a minute.
Being part of the commission and being a capo, it's been such a challenge.
It's hollow. It's hard like butter. All we need is a on the plate.
Everybody knows that if you use rock salt in a pasta dough, when you're going to stretch it, it's going to break. They stretched the pasta and it didn't work.
You feel it? What have you done your fingers? Can you feel the salt?
Was I pleased?
I swear to God, I turn around for 1 second and one of them's bleeding. You know, I can't, God forbid, I need an espresso.
They're family. Well, you know how family is. Come on, do I really have to say anything else?
Spaghetti Pepe, the underboss.
Marica Vitrini, consigliere.
Drusella Rago, capo.
Mark Dravick, capo.
Right now, I feel that I'm ready to take on America with Spaghetti Wars and show you guys what Italian food is all about.
It's gonna keep going. It's gonna be big.
Sooner or later, they'll be gone.